Hey, credit heroes! The credit bureaus want you to fail. They use so many unfair practices to reject your letters and slow the process, but you gotta be ready to fight back. That's why today I'm sharing the top 5 ways to make your dispute letters more effective so you can keep changing lives. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I have helped thousands of businesses build from the ground up. And during that time, I've learned the secrets to writing effective dispute letters and proven strategies for deleting items from credit reports. But times are changing. Just having the facts on your side isn't enough to win disputes. The credit bureaus are stalling and rejecting more letters than they ever have before. They want you to get frustrated, they want you to give up, and they're ready to try anything to do that. It's so important to make every single one of your letters count. Every stall letter and rejection letter that you receive, it slows down the process of getting real results for your clients. That's why today I wanted to share my top 5 things that you can do to make your dispute letters the most effective as possible. Here's how this relates to us. For those of you who are new to credit repair, writing dispute letters is the foundation of the process. It's not a perfect system, but considering that you have to give up your legal rights in order to dispute with the bureaus online, it's the only real option that we have. If you've never filed a dispute, the process can be slow, it can be repetitive, and in some cases, it can be very, very discouraging. The credit bureaus do whatever they can to drag their feet, and their stall tactics cause a lot of people to just give up because that's exactly what they want. That's why it's very important that you never give up. Here's the thing to remember. Dispute letters need to be accurate, persuasive, and strategic. Don't give them any reason to throw your letters out. The success of your business depends on effective dispute letters along with a healthy dose of persistence. Here's what you need to know. To make sure that your dispute letters carry the weight they deserve and get a quick response, you gotta use a set of proven strategies. So here are my top 5 simple and effective things that you can do to make the most impact with your dispute letters. Number 1, reason and instructions. This is the basis of every dispute letter, so make sure you include a reason and instruction for each item that you're disputing. A lot of people are intimidated by this because they think the credit bureaus will read their instructions and disagree, but you have to make it obvious what you're disputing and why. Being specific on stating exactly what you want and using clear language helps speed things along and avoid delays. Number 2, ID and proof of address. Before you mail out your first round of letters to the bureaus, make sure that you include photo ID, like a driver's license or a passport, and proof of address, like a utility bill or a bank statement. They won't send you the results until you prove you are who you say you are and prove where you live. Credit Repair Cloud's client portal makes it very easy for your clients to upload their ID and proof of address during onboarding. They can even take a picture of it with their smartphone and upload it to the secure client portal. Number 3, proof if you have it. Got proof that's going to stop the bureaus in their tracks? Well, be sure to include it with your dispute letter. This could be things like a police report if you were the victim of identity theft, an agreement with a debt collector to delete an account if you paid but they failed to do so, or even a letter showing a mistake that a creditor made. If you have it, use it. Just print out the proof and include it in your envelope. Number 4, a reminder for 30 days. Credit repair is a game of patience and persistence. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires the credit bureaus to respond within 30 days of receiving your letters. While it does take a few days to mail the letters to the bureaus and a few days for the bureaus to mail the results back, it's so important to stay on top of this waiting period. If the credit bureaus don't respond, you can send a non-response letter demanding that they respond, or maybe even an estoppel by silence letter if you're dealing with a debt collector. So make sure you have a system to easily set reminders to check on disputes after 30 days. The reminder options within your Credit Repair Cloud are a great way to handle this. Number 5, create custom disputes with letters by AI. We've been seeing so many reports that the credit bureaus are rejecting letters that they think are templates, and it's just another one of their nasty tricks to try to make you go away. My team and I have been working really hard to find a way to help you to fight back against this unfair practice. That's why I'm so excited to introduce Credit Repair Cloud's newest innovation, Letters by AI. Our unique AI-generated letters reduce the risk of credit bureaus flagging your disputes as templates because every single letter is now unique. Less rejections mean faster results for your clients and a better success rate overall. And I can't wait for you to try Letters by AI. It is so cool, and it's live right now in your Credit Repair Cloud account. So go try it out and let me know what you think. Here's my final point. The credit bureaus want you to fail. They do. They work really hard to frustrate you and make you go away. But you can't let them win, and you can't give them any reason to reject your letters. And I'll end by saying, if you want to win even more credit repair disputes, check out my episode on the top 5 dispute mistakes to avoid. And if you'd like to get certified in disputing and gain confidence and grow your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. Doors are closing soon, so sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com and keep changing lives.